That dull, lifeless look, even right after you've washed your car. Those stubborn water stains that just won't go away. You want to extend your car's aesthetic, but you're tired of spending too much on car care just to maintain it. Introducing Blaupunkt Car Protection Coating. Choose between PPF protection or ceramic protection. Whichever suits your car and your lifestyle. Whether you're a car enthusiast who lives for that perfect finish, a daily driver just trying to keep things clean, a luxury car owner who expects nothing less than perfection, or simply someone busy who wants easier maintenance, this is for you. True water repellency means dirt slides right off, reducing your wash time significantly. Built-in UV protection keeps your paint from fading under the sun, and you can achieve a mirror-like gloss in just 10 minutes. It's aesthetics protection made for easy maintenance. Perfect to protect your paint before rainy season hits. Get that showroom shine right at home. With DIY application, you can do it yourself in just 1 to 2 hours. PPF coating and ceramic coating on your car needs reapplication every 1 to 3 years. Here's how it works. First, wash your car thoroughly. Then decontaminate the surface with clay. Paint correction through polishing is optional for those wanting an even deeper finish. Next, apply the coating. Finally, let it cure, and avoid washing your car for 1 week after application. Simple, effective, Blaupunkt Car Protection Coating.